in the theater of my soul. You see, I hope it will go on and when the curtain call is done, morning always comes. It was a fine time to be born. Dear old Happy Street and free milk for